I'm Andy Schmitt, the manager over at the Avon Distribution Center and the Broadview Heights Distribution Center. I'm working with Willoway for 12 years now. So we're proud about at the distribution centers is just our customer service. We want our customers coming back, so getting our customers in and out as fast as possible and get them back on the job where they make the real money. It's kind of our forte and kind of what we strive for at the DCs. Also, grade A stock. If we get walk-in customers, we want our customers walking in, being able to pick out plant material super easy, whether it's perennials, shrubs, trees. We want things to be easy for them to pick out and not have to rifle through a block of something. So that's definitely something we strive for at the DCs, and we support the One Willoway by working with them and getting fulfillment orders. That's also part of the customer service where we work with Willoway logistics and getting orders over within 2 days to keep fresh stock so our customers can order 2 days ahead of time and get fresh stock in. It's helping them out, helping us out, get them in and out as fast as possible. And then it ties into things that we do well over here, whether it's transferring material from other stores, helping each other out. We're all about a team at the DCs, and that's kind of what we strive for, is just the teamwork and the atmosphere that we bring to the DCs on a day-to-day is just coming together, being a team. The industry's nonstop changing, so we're always coming up with new ideas and new ways to help our customers out. That just kind of ties all together with the teamwork. We do grow at every site, Avon, Hilliard, and Broadview, so we help with the main farm on growing material as well. Then we get that stuff back to main farm to get sales with that material. Bottom line, we help with the top of the line sales, and every plant counts and every sale counts. So that is another thing that we strive for over at the DCs. One big project that we were kind of working at on the distribution side over at the Avon facility, DCs in general, it's that fulfillment, just being able to get these orders from these customers and have it a 2-day turnaround so we get that fresh material for you guys. We've got orders in our pre-pull area. We're going to be kind of labeling those soon. That's another thing that we want, is everything labeled, so when you do come in, you know where your stuff's at, where to pull, what section you're in, so you're able to get in and out a lot faster. I think that's definitely one big thing that we're still kind of working on with some of our customers. We want to save you guys time, so we want to have the orders ready, fresh material in, you're out, and you're on to the next thing. One Willoway means to me, we're one company. We're not just a DC anymore. We're one company. If we have a plant question, it's easy to go to these growers to talk about plant diseases or inventory questions. I talk to a lot of these guys on a daily, weekly basis, and they're just easy to get answers from, so I can get back to the customers, or I can make inventory right, or I can figure out a problem and solve it. It's definitely beneficial to be part of this One Willoway. It's just getting all this information and being able to pass it on to our customers or pass it on to our employees so everybody is successful.